Do you often use Screen Off Memo with your S Pen on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? Did you know that you can change how those memos look when they are saved in the Notes app? Let me show you how to customize the Screen Off Memo style to match your preference. First, open Note app. Tap the three horizontal line icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Tap the setting icon. Tap Screen Off Memo Style. Here you will see three style options: original pen on black background, original pen on white background, and black pen on white background. Choose the one you like best. For example, if you prefer a clean look, you might go with black pen on white background. To see how it works, close Note app. Turn off the screen. Remove your S Pen. Now write something with your S Pen. And then save it. Now open Notes app again. And then open the handwritten note you wrote with Screen Off Memo. As you can see, your Screen Off Memo will be saved in that new style automatically in Note app. In this case, it will be saved in black pen on white background. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.